Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble gum. First, unwrap your chosen piece of bubble gum. Make sure to remove all packaging. Next, place the entire piece of gum into your mouth. Begin chewing gently, allowing the gum to soften and release its flavor. Continue chewing until the gum is smooth and easy to manipulate, which usually takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Enjoy the initial burst of sweetness. Now that your gum is soft and flavorful, it's time to prepare for bubble blowing. Use your tongue to flatten the gum into a thin, circular shape. Push this flattened gum against the roof of your mouth, then gently move it forward until it rests just behind your front teeth. With your tongue, carefully poke a small hole through the center of the gum, creating a thin membrane. This forms the base for your bubble. With the gum membrane ready, take a small breath. Gently push air from your lungs through the small hole you created in the gum. You should feel the gum start to expand outwards. Slowly and steadily increase the air pressure, allowing the bubble to grow. Keep your lips sealed tightly around the gum to ensure no air escapes. Continue blowing until your bubble reaches a satisfying size, then stop. Once your bubble is as big as you like, it's time for the satisfying pop. Simply close your mouth quickly or gently touch the bubble with your finger to burst it. Gather the popped gum back into a single, chewable piece. You can continue to enjoy the flavor and chew the gum for a while longer. When you're finished, always remember to dispose of your used gum responsibly, perhaps in its original wrapper or a piece of tissue, and then into a trash can.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.